अरे बाबा इसमें देखो ना, पीछे कोई आ रहा है। कौन बोलता है नेक्सॉन 5 सीटर है बस। Another day and another ride. What a beautiful, beautiful sky. It is 6 in the evening for a change. 6:30 actually, and I'm low on fuel. God damn. अरे देवा, यार एक आहे. यो गोंधळ विसरलोय मी. I'll give you details about where we are headed, and by we, I'll also elaborate. थोड़ा टाइम दे दो. मिशन अबॉर्ट कर लिया उसने पटक से. God damn, my mirrors are disgusting right now. Holy mother of God, look at that. Is that the Octa? God damn. दिन ही अच्छा है आज, मस्त मजे आ गए. As soon as I got out. अपने को पेट्रोल भरने का है. I hope there is not much traffic because it's an evening. So hopefully there won't be as much traffic. I haven't checked my audio. Hello. Okay. 500 का कर दो. आपके पेट्रोल में इथेनॉल कितना है जी? हैं? 200%. 20. पावर में 10 है. और प्योर पेट्रोल वाला कोई नहीं है?
प्योर वाइट वाला आता है, वो हर जगह नहीं मिलता ना सर.
इधर मिलता है क्या?
अंधेरी लोखंड वाला.
अच्छा.
60 रुपये कुछ आता है.
कितना?
160-150 के ऊपर आता है. वाइट पेट्रोल बोलते हैं सर इसको.
वाइट पेट्रोल?
हाँ, वाइट पेट्रोल. इसका नाम कुछ और है पर वाइट पेट्रोल होता है थोड़ा.
चलो, थैंक यू. फनी थिंग अबाउट फ्यूल is that I just checked my legs to drop my pants from my knees. That sounds very wrong, but I hope you get what I mean. It stretches up, right? That's why. The thing with this क्या बोलते हैं यार, हाँ, E20 petrol is such a smart move by the government, huh? I'll tell you how. Not for us obviously, but for the government. कि इतने साल से they've been saying कि we'll make fuel less costlier. And look at the business strategy of this guy. He's gone ahead and pulled off such a trick. He must be raving about it, really. He must be having such a flex among his peers that भाई तुम लोग इतने सालों से बोल रहे हो फ्यूल चीप करेंगे. मैंने ऐसा कुछ करके दिखा दिया that people are now willing to pay extra. Forget the cheaper fuel. People are not only going to pay the full price of the fuel, but are also going to be willing to pay extra to get fuel. How? जो फ्यूल है जो तुमको फुल प्राइस में मिल रहा है उसको इतना खराब बनाओ. Allegedly, I'm gonna save myself from legalities, right? इतना उसको खराब बनाओ, you will readily accept to pay more. The price of the fuel is already exorbitant. You will readily be ready to pay even more to get the fuel that you were getting for cheaper. Who do you think can be able to pull off something like that?
तो दुबई के प्रिंस ने मोदी जी को कहा 6 महीने के लिए नितिन गडकरी को दुबई के लिए एक्सपोर्ट कर दो.
I actually purposely put less fuel in this one right now because I am going to be refueling a full tank where I usually do. I usually don't fill fuel at different fuel pumps. Speaking of the ride, well, today impromptu plan ban gaya hum log ka. Me, Pratik, who is a friend and my manager, and Atharva, outrider, for those who know, we decided we'll go out on a try date. Spend some lovey-dovey time with each other, and then go back to our homes. I did not factor in this Western Express highway traffic, which is why I will now have to hurry. मैंने बोल दिया कि I'll reach in 30 minutes at reclamation, but it doesn't look like I will. Main character having a main I'm not gonna judge this particular person, but having a main character t-shirt on is like the most NPC thing you would ever do. It's so much fun to be a judgmental, man. किस बात का भाई इतना ट्रैफिक है यार. थोड़ा सा अभी रोक देते हैं, but there's no point in having unnecessary footage. Why this much traffic, man? नवरात्रि को टाइम है ना. What is today? Today is 21st of Sunday. 21st of September. फिर आज क्या है? Please tell me what is it today? भाई इधर आके ना मैं थोड़ा ये देख लेता हूँ कि मैप पे क्या है. I'm going straight only. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Renik.
Nice to meet you, bhai.
I saw a bike going Morini. I thought it's a Ducati.
Yeah, it looks like a Ducati.
Your vlog
Thank you, man.
about Dubai, right? The cops.
Which one? Yeah, just today. Yesterday I posted it.
And I met you now.
I know, right?
I saw a bike, then I saw AGV, then I saw Plan Shoes.
Very sweet, man. Where are you headed? Where are you headed?
I was heading to Mahim. I'm heading to Mahim to see.
अच्छा. आज क्या है वैसे?
आज दुर्गा माँ का है ना.
ओह.
है तो फिर.
अच्छा. चलो, see you around. Nice to meet you, brother. Looks like I'm heading somewhere. I just need to see if I'm headed at the same place. भाई तू क्या मेरे को जेन्युइनली मेकआउट करने लेके आया है क्या? यू जेन्युइनली बॉट मी फॉर मेकिंग आउट.
नहीं.
उधर मेकआउट ही कर रहे हैं लोग.
अरे मैं तेरे को बोलने आया था कि आगे जाते हैं. तो मैं बोला ना BKC से खत्म होता है. तो ये रेक्लेमेशन है.
ठीक है. आई एम न्यू हियर ब्रो. दिस इज प्रतीक. ही इज माय मैनेजर. That's the legendary OG 390. Beautiful machine. That's like the truest, the most raw form of 390 engine.
अरे मत.
Hi, by the way, as a matter of fact, I'm riding for the first time with Prateek. Full utilization. कौन बोलता है Nexon 5-seater है बस? Look at that. When you have the budget of a Tata Nexon, but you want a Tata Safari. Ow, 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 ow. I'm getting cramps in my... Oh, God. Oh, God. When you actually use these buttons now... By the way, I haven't really introduced this bike to you guys, right? This is the Moto Morini Escape 650. It is a bit too late for me to introduce things, but...
फिर मारने का आएगा तू?
ये भाई किधर चला गया? So anyway, this is the Moto Morini Escape 650 that Moto Morini had lended me for as a long termer. It's with me for months. This is not a sponsored bike or sponsored collaboration in any stretch of imagination. This is just a loaner bike that they've let me ride for a few days, and I'm gonna return it once I'm done with it. भाई ये किधर चला गया? अरे get your fucking kids up the footpath, man. You just abandoned me, man.
How do you know यहाँ से वर्ली का रास्ता कहाँ से?
तू मेरे को पूछ रहा है.
Very right question.
Myself from village area. भाई hazard चालू कर देता हूँ. उड़ा के लेके जाएगा कोई तो.
On the way to reclamation in 20 minutes.
ओके. इधर कहीं पे तो रुकते हैं ना आसपास.
थोड़ा आगे रुकते.
तू चल आगे, मैं फॉलो कर. भाई थोड़ा मिरर में देख पीछे किधर हूँ मैं. This guy has got a pocket rocket. I'm carrying this elephant over here. I'm not blaming. It's just that in such traffic, it is a bit difficult to maneuver around. Saint Sebastian Road. अच्छा अपन इधर आ गए. Okay. I like know very little. I've come here, Breve Cafe में, and there's one more cafe I'm assuming ahead. अरे बाप रे, इतना rear set footpegs on an Ather. अरे चल ना. अरे काय करतो है बाबा? अरे बाबा इसमें देखो ना, पीछे कोई आ रहा है. अपनी धुन में मगन चल रहा है भाई, मस्त मगन. I've suddenly just come out on a मुंबई दर्शन राइड. इधर ही कहीं पे तो मन्नत है ना. I remember. इधर मेरा दोस्त भी एक रहता है, शाहरुख.
यार तो बहुत सही है यार.
We've got Duke 390, a Honda Goldwing. So this is the spectrum of motorcycle that we've got. On one end there's the Duke 390, the other end there's the Honda Goldwing. To balance it out, there's this Moto Morini, and to make it exciting is the ZX6R. 1, 2, 3.
गाइस आज के व्लॉग में हम अनुराग की अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे। We have Goldwing.
Hello
We have green color bike. Myself Pratik Bhanasha bhai. That's whoa.
अरे झाड़ रहा हूँ पानी। चलो, this is the first time I'm riding the OG Duke. ओ भाई साहब, अरे झाड़ रहा हूँ पानी।
I get it. Okay. It's a 10-year-old bike. I get it.
I need to get used to firstly the power delivery. Damn, this feels very compact. How very compact. अरे अपना दोस्त है इधर। नहीं, मैं आया था शाहरुख भाई से मिलने, बट शाहरुख भाई से मिलना तो हुआ नहीं। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम इज द बैड लक इज द दिस थिंग डजंट हैव इट्स स्पीडोमीटर connected. Well, actually the instrument cluster, which is why there's no display coming. और अपना Goldwing just casually rolling. You can carry a village in it, huh? Completely. Fuck. Ah, that hurts, dude. That slices your heart.
Generally, I'm very skeptical about who I let ride my bike, but since it's Anurag, it's fine. And I mean, he rides safe. So, not that anyone asked. It's so nice to see someone else ride your motorcycle and see from a second, third person point of view that is that quick. And it's a 10-year-old bike.
This is such a nice pocket rocket, man. And one thing I've noticed is these mirrors are call. Sorry, Pratik, but these mirrors are absolutely useless. And actually, I don't blame it because the placement is such that it needs to be compact for the motorcycle. So.
Bye, have a great time.
What crazy power, dude. And it rolls like anything. By the way, if you are not aware yet, this is Pratik on the Moto Morini, that is Arafia on the ZX6R, and that's Atharva on the Goldwing. So quite a fun little ride. Now we are headed to some place where they make chicken cream rolls. Now that idea sounds very bizarre, but let's see. अरे इसने गाने बजा के रखे हैं।
जी पूरा तेज जा रहा है। आए क्या
तो गाइज हल्का फुल्का डिनर हो चुका है हमारा एंड इट वाज माय सजेशन और मैं इन सबको लेके आया था। विल यू गाइज अप्रूव जो मैंने खिलाया? सो वी हैड
भेटू ब्रदर, आप मला सांगायचं
Yes,
साऊथचं।
yes, yes.
चल चल, प्लेजर।
किंवा उज्जैन.
हाँ हाँ,
बाय.
बाय ब्रदर, लव यू सो मच।
पकड़ाओ मैं पकड़ाओ.
थैंक यू, चलो। नाइस टू मीट यू। Okay, we had these rolls. For those who know, the rolls were absolutely delicious. But the thing is that I have dinner made at home and it is already, what is the time? What is the time number? अरे भाई, sleep mode चालू हो गया मेरा। 10:36. I guess I can make it before 11 and I can have my dinner. I'm actually very full right now, but देखते हैं। Poor thing. She doesn't have she's got a tail tidy. That's why everything that will, now she's going to go all the way to Navi Mumbai. सब कुछ उड़ के वापस परिक्रमा करके वापस सर पे आने वाला है। It sounds so lovely, man, without even with the stock exhaust. Rain just ruined everything. It would have been such a nice sweet ride had there not been rain. I guess here's where we part ways. Now look at the fountain that will come. मैं fountain देख रहा हूँ. We're back to the Western Express Highway. There is a dark mode as well in this one. I'll have to look it up. Where exactly is it? Display, view. Look at the curiosity of people. Night. There you go.
कितना सीसी है?
650.
उनका क्या चाहिए?
हाँ? मोरनी, मोटो मोरिनी.
एवरेज क्या देते हैं?
एवरेज 40. 40 का दे देता है.
मेरा RN50 बोला.
कौन सा?
RN50
हाँ, क्या बात है. आप चलाते हो?
नेपाल में रखा है.
अच्छा, आप नेपाल से हो? कहाँ पे नेपाल से?
पोखरा.
अच्छा, मैं अभी कुछ दिनों पहले ही जाके आया नेपाल. वहाँ पे वो अपर मुस्तंग वगैरह करके आ गए हम लोग.
अरे वाह, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
हाँ ना?
मेरा RN50 15 और 220 है मेरे घर पे. साथ दुबई में था ना.
अच्छा.
दुबई चले जाते. ये जो मेरा गाड़ी है.
हाँ, क्या बात है.
6 गाड़ी है.
तो ये क्या होटल के साथ है क्या?
होटल से आते हैं मेरा 6 गाड़ी है. भैया तो 4 गाड़ी और मिलेगा.
क्या बात है यार. कौन से होटल के साथ?
ग्रैंड है.
ग्रैंड हयात. चलो. My bro is bagging, huh? Bagging some good moolah. All right, all set now. It is a straightforward road. Man, this is, it's such a nice grunty engine, dude. Like it pulls like anything. Bye. मेरे को होली नहीं खेलनी है इधर.
होली सी सूरत.
Look at the way it picks up, dude. I'm sorry if the audio clipped, but man, this is the adrenaline, man. It is nothing else. Nothing else will make you feel so. Only motorcycles. Look at it, dude. Crazy. And it can drop anchors like anything, huh? Of course, a huge disclaimer, please don't try this. I'm doing this at my own discretion and I'm being a stupid, so don't be a stupid like me. But yeah, man, I've been itching to ride this for a long time and I finally got a little chance. I have actually, in fact, taken it out to my hometown, a vlog of which will come very soon. This is called Western Express Highway. यार इसका पॉट बम्स का I have gotten a few nice suggestions. Gullu, Bandia. Ouch! That was Bandia. It has started to rain again. God damn! Oh, I forgot that I have to clean lenses. Yeah, man. I mean, this is such a hoot to ride this machine. Of course, in like packed, super jam-packed traffic, it is a task to, maneuver this. But it is just a matter of time till you get used to it. Once you get used to the size and, dynamics of it, it is like a piece of cake. It looks very intimidating, but it is very friendly that way. Especially when you are on the go, it is like any other motorcycle out there, dude. It's firstly, the top part of it is very light. It's even lighter than Himalayan, mind you. Bro, my visor is dirty right now. Good thing that this thing has rain wiper, so it lets you clear your visor. I shouldn't have actually put on the visor, man, the dark visor. I did not actually think it through. Sham ko agar main nikal hi raha tha, I should have gotten the clear visor. When it's not raining, it is fine. I've completely gotten used to the visibility of it. But in rains, it takes your visibility, man. एंड विद इन नो टाइम वी ऑलरेडी हियर अपने एरिया में. ये मेरा एरिया है और इस एरिया में एंट्रेंस करने से पहले this is much better, man. You're much more comfortable riding like this. At least you know what's right ahead of you. Otherwise you're just guessing that you don't end up in a pothole. Let's have some fun. There you go. The only thing you can actually have fun on. It was a short ride. I don't know how it will turn out to be in the video, but if you ever watch this, I hope you I don't know, like it. Chalo, see ya. Bye.
Bonus.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.